If you're a local business owner looking to improve your marketing with LeadPages, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use LeadPages effectively for local business marketing, and I'll even give you some insights on a powerful alternative that might work better for your needs. First things first, LeadPages offers an easy-to-use platform that allows you to create landing pages, pop-ups, and other marketing assets that capture leads. For local businesses, it's critical to have a strong online presence, and LeadPages makes that process smooth with drag-and-drop features. But does it really stand up when you compare it to other platforms? Let's dive in. Next thing, let's talk templates. LeadPages provides plenty of pre-built templates that make setting up your landing pages simple. You can choose from options specifically designed for local businesses, like appointment scheduling or special offers. While the templates are easy to use, they can sometimes feel generic. It's a trade-off between speed and customization, and depending on your business needs, you might want something a little more personalized. The third thing is the ability to integrate with various tools like email marketing services, CRM platforms, and even Facebook ads. That makes LeadPages pretty versatile. But the integration process can be a bit clunky, and if you're new to marketing tech, you may find it overwhelming. It's definitely not as seamless as some of its competitors when it comes to connecting with other systems. Now, let's get into the pricing. LeadPages offers a tiered pricing structure, and for local businesses on a budget, that can be a bit steep. While the base plan is affordable, you'll need to upgrade if you want more advanced features, like A/B testing or more advanced integrations. When you're working with a small budget as a local business, it's important to weigh those costs against the potential return on investment. The next thing to note is analytics. LeadPages gives you some basic insights into how your landing pages are performing. But when you need more detailed tracking and optimization, it's not quite as robust as other platforms in the market. It's a good start, but if you're looking to seriously track your customer behavior, you might find yourself wanting more. The fourth thing I want to talk about is the customer support. LeadPages offers live chat and email support, but they don't always offer fast solutions. If you're new to landing page software, you may need some extra handholding. LeadPages can be great for beginners, but don't expect lightning-fast help when you hit a wall. And now for the twist. I've mentioned some of the limitations of LeadPages, so let me introduce you to a great alternative, competitor. This platform provides much better customization options, more advanced integrations, and a more flexible pricing model. Best of all, it focuses specifically on local businesses. If you're serious about driving more traffic and converting more leads, it's worth checking out. Plus, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial of Competitor, along with some exclusive benefits only available to viewers of this channel. So, while LeadPages can be useful for local business marketing, Competitor might be the better fit depending on your specific goals. Either way, I've made sure you have the best options to improve your marketing strategy with powerful tools and exclusive trials. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link in the description for the best free trial and extra benefits.